won't even see it. Yeah.
Come on out. All these NPCs are running towards the car. Look at them. Look at them.
Those are his cats.
Oh, it's kind of quick.
Yeah, that was pretty quick. Those were his cats. He was melting his cats out.
A few moments later.
What do you think?
It's pretty nice. You know, we decided to take advantage of the CarMax 24-hour rentals. This is not a 24-hour one. It's a 30-minute, but then we're going to get a Type R. So we started with the RS5. Apparently this thing's too expensive to do it for 24 hours, but we'll check it out. Test driving this thing properly. The guy said, I'll give you an extra 5 minutes because I know you're going to record stuff. He literally said that to me. But the burbles are nice. I'm waiting for it to get to operating temp though.
Damn, I can hear that.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it does sound good.
For stock, that's crazy.
It is pretty nice. I like the interior. Carbon all over.
It's quality.
It is quality. See how much you like this compared to your C63.
Not as much at all.
I mean, the Benz is a little bit, you know.
So now we're gonna see how this thing digs factory. So see what it lets me launch on it.
Oh my god! Holy crap!
That was 0 to 60 in like maybe 4 seconds flat, or maybe even 3.
Yeah, that was
pretty quick.
Yeah, it was.
What do you guys think? You think that was like pretty quick?
Yeah, I felt that. I'm actually a little surprised.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
It let me launch at 4,000 with the factory launch control, so it's pretty saucy. I'm gonna have Darren go ahead and give us some revs too before we give this thing back. Yeah, it doesn't sound the best, but I mean, the 2.9 doesn't sound good, or my 3.0 doesn't sound good until you open up the exhaust and that type of stuff, but it has the potential to sound good, and it has a turbo too, so that muffles it, but you can hear the turbo noises when you're driving it. It sounds pretty sick. It's like, it sounds so sick. Ready?
The brakes work.
Yeah.
They definitely
This thing is a
work.
monster, right? Yep. Oh my god, it sounds good. So now we're gonna drop this one, the RS5, and we've got a Type R. We're trading cars. So I think we need a rental car versus rental car. 1, 2, 3, go! We got the out of here! Goodbye, Devin!
He's mad. Oh, he did the hazards like he won.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, buddy.
Bro, you got gapped.
I mean, the car got gapped.
No, you got gapped, bro.
No, the car got gapped.
You got gapped by the VTEC, bro.
The VTEC?
Yeah, the VTEC kicked in. So Devin said he's gonna give us the gap from a dig. He probably will because he has the all-wheel drive. You think you're winning, Devin?
1, 2, 3, go!
What happened?
What happened? I don't hear it.
We gotta run one more.
Where's the excuse?
I was spinning.
Okay. I was
Zoom in
not.
on this.
hazard zone.
I was not spinning.
I was spinning on that one.
Get one finger while shifting gears.
3, 2, 1, go!
Not enough RPM. We bogged out. You felt it? It was like,
Yep.
all right, last one for the day.
What the? 3, 2, 1, go! No, it spins too much.
You got lucky, Devin.
Huh?
You got lucky with the mom car.
I got lucky with the mom car.
Yeah, it only beat me off a dig. Every roll you got mopped.
On the highway.
Going on, guys, day 2 or the next day of the vlog. Toby has
It's like the 20th day of the vlog, Devin.
oh my days are messed up, but we are in the Honda Type R. Toby is going to show me some really cool launches.
Yeah, Devin wants to feel a launch in this thing.
Yeah.
And it's good practice for me because I need to practice with manual launches.
Yep.
You ready?
Exactly. So
Slip the clutch at like 3,500 so it doesn't bog. Oh, I bogged out.
we'll try it again.
So hard. It's really difficult to launch a manual car, in my opinion. It bogged out.
What the heck? The shifts are crazy though.
Yeah, I was launching it better last night. It just takes a lot of practice. Like, you got to slip the clutch. That's the hardest part, and then keeping the revs up. When you like let out the clutch, you got to be like really in the revs. But if you slightly let off or you're not revved up high enough, then it bogs like it just did 2 times in a row.
You ready? Thoughts?
That was the best one. How'd it look on the outside?
They look pretty good on the outside.
Yeah. It's pretty cool because this color actually changes. So it's like a Nardo gray type beat, but then when you see it in the sun, it goes green. So
Yeah.
Devin, zoom in on that.
The color change?
Yeah, just zoom in on it. You gotta zoom.
Yeah.
Before we give this thing back, I think we need some revs. Oh, that's a little pop. Not too bad.
3 days later.
Actually in San Francisco now, we made the 4-hour road trip, and Darren is gonna have me install his front struts for the air suspension. So we're bagging this thing. It was already bagged, but he had to get it modified to actually work with the factory MagneRide. So it's fully functional, first of its kind from Universal Air, and his dark horse is absolutely insane. We saw it at SEMA, mint green wrap, carbon fiber all over. He actually is like the first to have a lot of these pieces on this car because it's so freaking new and it looks so sick. Like the first of the first to have that carbon fiber right there.
I am. I got a lot of it custom done by CFDNA. It's all one-off pieces done. The inserts, splitter, side skirt, spoiler. I mean, there's a bunch of random custom stuff that he did for the car for SEMA, and it just keeps going on. He's gonna have the car again soon, but yeah. I mean, there's no other company with it out yet.
Story short, what Darren is saying is that this is one of the few dark horses that actually look like this, so it's rare for the time being. So I've never actually worked with air suspension before, but I've done shocks and struts and springs, so same idea. This thing is the bag, this fills up with air, lets the car fluctuate its height, and basically lets Darren go full on racer mode down to the ground.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go ahead and take this, put it up through here, tighten up the bolts, and then basically the knuckle needs to come back on, and I'll put the rotor and everything back on too. We're also going to go ahead and delete the intake tube restriction that's on his Dark Horse stock intake. So it's dual throttle body, dual intake, but you actually have some weird spine thing in here that restricts the airflow, and we're going to get rid of it. See exactly what I'm talking about right now. We're going to take off the filter, pop this out, and then take away that white spiral thing right there, and it gets rid of all the restriction that comes through that intake filter. So Darren's pulling out a ring that goes on top, and then there's the white stuff in there that is all the restriction. So you literally break that off with a set of pliers, and then that white thing is what comes out when you pull it out. So it just spirals out. You don't have to take out the MAF or anything. You can kind of just finesse it. And just like that, Darren has gained plus 2 horsepower.
Woohoo! Can't wait to gap everyone, including you, Toby.
Oh, you missed. I think you got it now. Let's go, Darren. First wheel he's ever changed in his entire life. Let's go.
It's crazy, bro.
Oh my god. This is cooler than your car. It's a newer one. What do you mean, bro?
Yeah.
It's a brand new Mustang. It's a dark horse top trim.
Yeah, that's pretty fire.
You can see the monster ride height. We'll air it out in just a second. This thing is so nasty. Mint green. That's freaking sick. Flood lamps with the horse. Yeah, it is. Whoa.
How low is it?
Not that low. That's not low enough for you? Bro, that's touching the freaking floor, dude. Come on. You can barely fit a piece of paper underneath the front. This thing is like miles better than an S550.
Cup. That's literally a cup.
Really?
Yep. My
Rip. We'll finally get to see this thing air out. We stayed up till 3 a.m. We're going to Alcatraz tomorrow. I'm super hyped. But I wanted to show you this. Nah, bro, that's sick. That is so sick. I'm glad I got to work on this thing and contribute to it. Sheesh. I think now is a good time to tell you guys that Darren also has a 2020 AMG C63S, so this guy is he's balling out here. So Devin and I have actually worked on a product. It's called Zesty Wash, and it gives you the ability to shoot colored foam at home. What I mean by that is that traditionally, you know, when you use a foam cannon at home with your pressure washer, is that you're stuck with one color, white. Well, we gave you the ability to actually put some color in there with this strawberry, and basically it shoots pink. You can see it on my fingers right there. I know it's pink. That's wild. Yeah. Anyways, it also smells like strawberries if you crack it open. And we're using it on Darren's car, so you can see it right there. I've seen his, bought this car, right, Antonio?
Yeah, I bought it.
Jeez, this thing barks too. Nah, bro's hanging out the trunk like that. So Antonio was just telling me that Darren wants to line up the dark horse with his daily C60 AMG, C63 AMGS, whatever it's called. And it's, I said it's downpipe stage 2, so it's still on, what, 91? You guys don't have 93 out here, right?
Nah, just 91.
That's wild.
Yeah, it's piss.
Yeah. So it's 91 or 85?
Yep,
And that's it?
that's it.
It is pretty quick. looking at the line for our own car meet because Darren and I decided to host it, and a ton of people came. Like, they're just lining up to go to the top of the garage. I think this many people would show up. That's sick. I really like that rap. Actually, I saw him mention me and said he was coming. I follow him on Instagram. He gives me tips for my Camaro, and I'm meeting him in person. I really want to see that kid's photo. I think Antonio and I are going to do a roll with an S197 GT500, and then I'll tap out. Because I don't like being in the passenger seat. It's a bad feeling for me, but I will do it one time. Antonio's car is pretty quick too, so we'll see how this one turns out. What is the other one car? What does the other car make?
GT500.
But what does it make?
Probably 750.
Yeah, I'll go beat him. Close though. So close. They're side by side. Fortunately, I'm leaving California, and pretty much if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I've got a flight in 2 hours. I'm about to be late, so let's go.